Good afternoon. My name is Claudia Caterina Rojas Roa, and then I will present the evidence-based pet peeves of the virtual complementary course Sena English to Word 5. Let's keep going. Things that bother me. I am bothered by rudeness. Once I was talking to a friend about my new job, and she asked me how much I earned, and that irritated in which I felt very uncomfortable. 2. Lying people. Telling lies can be useful to protect oneself in risk situations, but it can be harmful when they take a from sport. When a person does, it becomes one of the things that bothers me most, and the last time a person said something to me and they discovered the lie and they feel very angry. 3. Ignorance is one of the things that bothers us the most. For example, when a person carried away by superstition without any meaning. The last time a relative said not sweet he felt because he was single. Thanks for attention.